everyone. Well, we're going to start a new journal, and this time I decided to use the Hello Susan Farmers Market digital kit. It is so festive. I just love it. And with summer being here and people are going to the farmers market, I just really thought that it was just the perfect time to do it. It's got happy colors, blues, yellows, reds, greens, pretty primary, but I put them in a way that it's very feminine as well. So here's one page. Isn't it gorgeous? Of course, I'm going to put that in the center of my book so that when I can't obscure any of it. I just want to show all of it. And look, it's got butterflies and bees. Oh, this banner and this old truck. Oh my gosh, I wish I had one of those. How about you? Do you have one, or do you wish you had one? I wouldn't mind if it didn't even run. I think it would be so cute just to have it for photos or something. I don't know. And look at all the flowers coming out the back. All right. And here's the second page, and since it's a farmer's market, I do have some farm animals in, because you know you would be able to buy those at a farmer's market. Plus the products that they sell sometimes come from the animals. So it says support your local farmers, and it says farmer's market. Where there is love, good things will grow. And of course, you know, we're buying produce and flowers at the farmer's market. See all the little bees? There's pears in the background. Isn't it happy? It just makes me feel so warm inside. Okay, and then this would be like what a stand would look like. So we've got some containers of apples and flowers, locally grown fresh produce. There's some blueberries. Here's some honey, and then here's the jars of honey for sale. And it says the hum of bees is the voice of the garden. Okay, and this one says farm to table, fresh vegetables. And look at these vintage photos I found. That's one of the old truck. Here's a girl. I'm sure that was the Victory Garden picture. And here's the same girl taking care of the chickens. And so here's fresh eggs. Chicken. Oh! And it's got a heart with a ribbon. Here's a little bird and all these vegetables. It says gardening is not our whole life, but it makes our life whole. Okay, and this one says spring market, fresh flowers. So you got a bouquet of flowers here. 1 mile ahead, open daily. And here's a watering can and a beautiful red rose. Lots of blues in this. I think the blue and the red just make everything pop, and then you add that touch of yellow. Here's some seed packets and a little shovel. Trowel, I guess you would call that. And then here's some a journal page, so you can title them. And then it's got lines on it. Little bird nest at the bottom. And then here's the ephemera. Lots of tags. Got bunny, a cow, a calf. There's that truck, and this time it's filled with vegetables. Strawberries, watermelon. That's an old seed catalog. And here's a really large tag and a belly band. And some signs for you to put in. Farm fresh. Look at that little chick. There's those seeds again. And some journal cards. Do what you love. Be like a flower, turn your face to the sun. Bloom where you are planted. And then this one says flowers, 3 for 25 cents. Okay, you guys, that's the kit. I've got to still pick out my papers and ribbons and trims and all that stuff, but this is what I've got so far. So thanks for joining me. See you later. Thanks for joining me. Bye-bye.